Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. Now in this section we are going to start with the chapter 5 on network security and applications. We will begin with the 5.1, that is network security basics. Okay, so network security is one of the fundamental need of any organization, you can say. As far as the uh, corporate sector is concerned, they are deeply in concern with their network establishment, the area of coverage, and their security. So when we say there is a security aspects to the networks are concerned, it is necessary to provide the hardware as well as software security to the network. So there are various ways in which we can provide or protect the network. So first of all, we can think of the information which is available into the network and information which is coming out of from the network, from outside network. So the information security which is exist, and information security which is coming from the other sources of the other part of the network. So these areas which are need to be covered from the point of view when we say there is a network need to be secured. So this area covers the use of the cryptographic algorithms in the network protocols and the network applications. So what are the basic tasks which are needed? First is to design the algorithm for the performing the security related transformations. The algorithm should be such that the opponent cannot defeat its purpose. Second is generate the secret information to be used with the algorithm. Third is develop the methods for the distribution and the sharing of the secret information. And the last one is to specify a protocol to be used by the two principles that makes use of the secret algorithm and secret information to achieve the particular security service. So this is the overall network model in which we can say there is a sender and a receiver. Um, both are exchanging the real messages, original message. The At the center side, there is a need to have the transformation of the original message into the encrypted message, that is secure message, which is not known to the opponent, and with the help of some encryption process, with the help of some secret information, it is sent over the channel, which over which the opponent is having a eye, as well as the trusted third party is also available with the arbitrary, which can be arbiter or the distributor of the secret information. So over the channel information is being transferred and it is received by the reception side, where secure message is being delivered, and it will be extracted. The original plain text is being extracted by the decryption process, and the original message is delivered to the recipient. So this is a generalized model diagram of the network system. So the use of this model requires first, as we have already discussed, the design of a suitable algorithm for the security transformation. So here in this case, the security transformation is one of the ciphering of the plain text. Here in this case, ciphering of plain text, which is crucial, and various algorithms are being preferred in order to make it the plain data into the encrypted data, which is not known to the opponent. It means it generate the secret information or the keys used by the algorithm. As we have already discussed about the encryption or decryption processes. So symmetric systems are always using the same key at the both side, at sender and the receiver, but asymmetric key they do not use the same key at the sender and the receiver side. So the asymmetric key algorithms are more complex in terms of making this use of the keys at different processes at different levels. So when we say there is at the transmitting side, that keys are being used differently. So among that, we can say the public key and private keys are being generated. So use of that asymmetric algorithm will be more complex in order to protect the information. Next is to develop the methods to distribute and share the secret information. Now here in this case, if two keys are different, which is generated by the client, or we can say there is a server client combination, then in which we can say there is a key distribution point is one of the major tasks and which is necessary to share the appropriate key to the appropriate recipient. Next is to specify the protocol enabling the principal to use the transmission and the secret information for the security services. So as far as this particular principles of the protocols are going concerned, in order to make out this transformation, the secret information is necessary to be shared secretly, and that provides the security to the whole system. So as far as the opponent is concerned, it can be in the form of hacker, that means human being, or a software, which can be in the form of virus or the bomb. So these two types of the opponents will get will try to get the information which is stored in the organization. In the information system, it can be run with the help of processors or memory devices or the IO devices, and that can be a data. That means the information system of an organization can be uh, stored with the data, with the processes or the software. There is a need for a gatekeeper function for this particular information system in order to protect the information at the entry level. So this is an internal security control model for the organization. Now here, the gatekeeper function is one of the major tasks in which we can say the authorized access can be given to the authorized users only. So use of this model requires select appropriate gatekeeper function to identify the users. Second is implement the security controls to ensure only authorized users access design information or the resources, designated information or the resources. Note that model does not include the monitoring of the system for successful penetration and monitoring of the authorized users for the misuse. Third is audit logging for the forensic users. So this model does not use these three aspects. Thanks for watching.